Hello, beautiful planner girls. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Aline from Digital Plans. We're gonna be doing some shopping today. Yes. So I thought I'll just go through some of my favorite shops and see if there's any new kits that I would like to buy. Now, I haven't been buying a lot of kits lately. I did purchase some from this shop a little while ago because I did really wanted them, like the new Lord of the Rings one. What else? I think it was like 3 or 4 kits, but I really haven't really gone through all the shops and see what they have, so I thought it would be great to do it together. So I think this is like at this point my favorite shop, which is Pink Planner Shop. I just absolutely love it. I love the format of the kits, and they do have 50% off throughout the whole month of September. So if you also want to see like where I like to get my kits from, this is gonna be a great video. Let's see. This is like a cute bowling with pumpkins, it looks like. This Halloween one is so beautiful. It is just like, oh, it's by, hold on. Can I just do like all the weeklies, all time? Maybe, yes. I wanted that like super classic black and white one. So we're gonna go in like a crazy shopping spree and just like add everything that I would like to get to my cart. Oh, that is cute. That is so cute, Demo Day. I'm not moving anytime soon, hopefully, because I don't like moving. Mystery Monday, that's so cute. Let's see. Creme, I think I already have that. I don't know if from this shop or from another one. That is pretty similar. Those are really cute. I already have that. I think it was the last format. This is another one that I bought, Life in Plastic one. I was just so excited and obsessed with that. I already have this one, I believe. I have the last format of that one. That's so cute, but I don't see myself using it. I do really love, is that a Kindle? I do really love that little detail there. School of Magic, that is so cute, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to use it because I already have like a lot of kits that I want to use. I am in the hunt also for the Hocus Pocus kit, and I've only seen that in Planner Pixico, I believe. Yes, I think it was in Planner's Pixico like shop. So we'll see, because that shop is a little bit more expensive, especially if you're just gonna use them for digital planning. I will recommend other options, but if that's the only one that has it, maybe I'll just wait and see if anybody else like come up with that. There's a lot of back to school really cute ones. This preppy one is so cute, but I'm not going back to school, at least not this year, I think. So oh, that is so cute. I have one that is like really similar, so I feel like that's reformat maybe. I feel like she used to have even more kits, but I think she had like a problem and everything was erased and she had to like redo them all. Like, oh my gosh, like a nightmarish type of a situation. I didn't saw the, did you guys saw the oh, that is so cool. If I ever go to a concert, you guys need to remind me that that's there. Okay. I think that's like an all time. There's like Christmas, fall, Halloween. Let's see the Christmas ones. I'm excited about the Christmas ones. Tree decorating. See, I'm pretty sure she had another one. Maybe it's in winter. Let's check the fall ones. A lot of pumpkins. I need one that's like really coffee related, like a pumpkin spice latte type of kit. I can't believe I haven't added anything. Well, I might be growing up. Yeah, sure. Autumn vibes, that is so cute. Do we add this one? Is this what we want? Are you what I've been waiting for? This is cute. Oh, that is so cute. I have those scissors, those like, that look like a bird. Weird. I want to see the fashion options. I think this is gonna look really cute with my pumpkin foil, so I'm excited about that. And as you can see, that is 50% off, and all of her kits are, which is great. She often has really amazing, oh, that is also really cute. She often has really amazing, I also really like the burgundy color sales, so if you're into that, I feel like this is a great option to have. Oh, that is so cute, to have really like affordable kits for your planners. Apple picking is cute, like super pink pastels. Belladonna, that is so adorable. Fall market, fall book. That's more like a reader type of a thing. I'm like, that's cute, but I don't know. Okay, I feel like that's it. This one is cute. Like, I will add it. Because also copper foil will pop really nicely, and you do have some letters in there. That's a really nice vibe. And you of course have the leaves throughout here. I'm gonna see if I like this one or the other one better. I can't decide yet. So let's go into the Halloween ones. I hope there was like a way of seeing like all of the kits at once. Oh, this is what I want. I'm sure about this one. It's just so beautiful and like classic. It's like black and nudes and just like everything with the nails, the girl with the bow hair. Like, this is so stinking cute. I love it. And I watched this art everywhere in like lots of different shops, and I've been wanting it for a while, so I think I'm just gonna add it to the shop. I already have that. Probably like an old format, but it's really cute. Let's go down. I also do have, what is that? The Stranger Things art. I also bought that, and I really want it. Okay, I have a really big problem here. Everyone loves this kit, and I have, really, excuse my ignorance, because I have absolutely no idea what this is from. Is this like a movie? Is this like, what is this from? Do you guys, what is this? Please, please, please let me know in the comments down below. Where is Zombina from? Like, where is this kit from? Please let me know, because like, I've seen it everywhere, everyone loves it, but I don't know. I already have that and that in like old formats. So like, as you can see, I have a lot of stuff because I am obsessed. I think Cookie is the one with the Addams Family, and I already have that. Yes, that's cute. Really pretty. And also, I feel like that was last year's. I didn't got that one. It's not like completely my vibe, but we'll see. That is cute. This will look really cute with the horror movie foil as well. This Fangs one is cute, but I do have one that's called Elena, which is like inspired by the Vampire Diaries, and I definitely want to use that. Spooky Party, that's so adorable. That is cute. Oh, and you get two colors, the neon and the regular one. That's cute. Halloween at Home, which is also a vibe. We'll see. Let me check Magical. What does that even mean? Ooh, just like, I got that one as well recently. Like, oh my god, I just got like fandom related one. Like, I got this one, the Barbie one, I don't remember. But cute. Magical Nights, that's perfect for like 4th of July, I guess. We do have like some mermaid ones. We do have like, I have something similar, I believe. And this is so beautiful. But we don't need any of those. It's just nice to have like a shop that's like super relatable and you know you're gonna love something from them. Now, this is what I'm talking about. The fall ones, I guess, or winter. Yes, this is winter. This new Hanukkah one. This is called Hanukkah Honey, and it is so stinking cute, so beautiful. I love the blue colors. But here's the thing, I don't celebrate Hanukkah, obviously. But like, can we make this work for Christmas? Do you think with like the right like foil on top and just using some of the boxes and all of them? But I feel like, how many could you use? Like 1, 2, but like not really. Oh, I don't think so. What do you guys think? Do you think we can make this work for Christmas? Because I really don't think we can. I don't think there's enough boxes for it. But I love the blue, like it's so pretty. And what if I make a Hanukkah like spread, even though I don't celebrate it? Would that be wrong? I don't know, I just really love these stickers. I think they're cute. Okay, that is it. We don't have a lot. We have 3 things in our cart. I'm so proud of myself. Next we are gonna go into Paper Crown Planner, which is another one of my favorites. So we're just gonna go ahead and check the weekly kits really quickly. She's got a lot of stuff, but I feel like she's been making more of like these, more like minimal, which is cute. Also for like, if you have like quotes in foil, you can put them on top and like make it really, really cute and like minimal, but still like a lot of deco, you know? Fall Festival, that's cute. I don't know, I feel like I like this shop more before when she like these, like it's so cute. And she had like more stuff. She's kind of a little bit minimal, which is not my favorite thing. She's got 13 pages, so she's got a lot of kits, as you can see. Oh, that is everything. Sticker office. She's not having a sale right now. She's got like sales all the time, so I'm gonna add everything to my cart and wait for the moment. I love that she's using Procreate to create the flowers. She's got like journal. This is like actual printing, you know, stickers, but I think it is really cute. So I'm gonna add that, and we're gonna look through and see if I like any other of these. I feel like these from here, like past, I've seen, and I've had the ones that I like. Yeah, I've definitely seen all of these ones before, and I feel like I have the ones that I like. She does have some like cute ones. I already have that, so like I already have like a lot of like the ones that I really love. I feel like they're on my collection already, and I'm so happy about that. This is cute, I guess. But I do have a lot of Christmas and winter ones, so I might want to like do my lighten up and then check like my cards and see like what I want. I do want to mention these are like not gonna be crazy like spending or like irresponsibly spending or anything like that. I'm just adding everything that I want into my cart as once, you know, as anyone does, and then I will like go into my cart and see what I actually need, what I actually want to buy. Like this is not making anyone feel like they have to like spend a ton of money on stickers or anything like that. Like get the kits that you really need, you guys, because then you end up with like a crazy collection like I do, and you have like way too many kits, and it's just like you're not gonna use every single one of them in like a while. This is cute. I think I already have that. See, so I feel like I already have the ones that I have here. So we have one thing in our cart. I'm so proud. I'm gonna go into my Etsy. And we're going into my favorites and my favorite shops, and you'll see I have a ton of favorite shops right here. A lot of these are for character stickers as well, which I'm not gonna go into because that's gonna be crazy. The Planner Shack is another one of my favorites, and she always has a ton, I mean a ton of kits. Almost 1,000 items. So this might take a little while. Okay, you guys, for some reason, some footage got deleted. I've been talking here forever about stickers with myself. So yay, but I just wanted to share with you real quickly. I went through all the Planner Shack stuff, and I do have a lot, so I just decided to go with this one because it's really cute. And this is the only one that I don't have that I just love. This is called Brunch, and this is definitely more of a summer kit, but I definitely want to have it. Because I am a little bit behind. We're still in like May, so we may be using this in like June or July. Why not? And then this amazing shop called White Rose Printable is a little bit more expensive, but totally worth it because they got like amazing kits and art that is not available everywhere. And I've been wanting this for ages. This one is called Double H, is inspired by the Lucifer TV show, and I haven't finished that. So whenever I finish that, I definitely want to go ahead and use this. How cute is this? I'm not quite sure about the leopard, like what is that about, but I really wanted to have something to like mark that because this is one of my favorite TV shows. Then this one I've also been wanting for forever. This one is called Nutcracker, and I swear one day I will be going to the ballet and watching this, and I will use this kit and I'll be perfect because like this is gorgeous. Look at that washi. Oh my god, this is so gorgeous, and I've been wanting this for like years, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and buy it. Next thing that I saw that I'm not quite sure if I want it or not, because it's like I know I want it, but I'm not quite sure if I should buy these. This one is called Milky Way Cafe, and as you can see, it's inspired by like Sailor Moon. It is cute. It's got like all of these beautiful pastel like sky views, like the food. I mean, like it's everything and more than I could ever want. So cute. And then this one, the scary movies, I'm not quite sure if I will have place for it, but I think this will be perfect for the horror movies foil in red. Like how perfect is that, you know? Yes, like the red foil on top of that purple. I mean, perfection. So we'll see if we get that. And then I have a couple of things from Planner Pixie Co. Like I said, I've been wanting this kit inspired by Hocus Pocus for like a while now, and this is the only shop where I could find it. We'll see if I find it somewhere else, or if later some other shops will have it. Maybe I'll get it from them because it's a little bit more pricey as well, but this is so gorgeous, and I definitely will be using a Hocus Pocus inspired one. It doesn't matter where I get it from, I will get it. And then I added this because I thought it was really cute. This is exclusive art from this shop, and this is so beautiful. I feel like you could kind of turn it into like a Wednesday Addams type of kit if you use like this girl and this girl, you know. So beautiful, so pretty. It gives me those vibes like Halloween and Wednesday, so definitely want to use that, definitely want to get that. This is only something you can get from her shop. Again, please let me know what that Zombina kit is from, because I have no idea. And she's got a ton more stuff, so you can probably want to check those shops out if you want to see like new stuff, if you want to like buy yourself some sticker kits. Those are the shops that I normally buy my stuff from and that I would totally recommend. So yeah, that'll be it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you beautiful Plannig girls in my next video. Bye.